In this video, I am going to discuss about some tips for the bike ride, and later in this video, we are going to discuss especially about the bike rides on the hills or high altitudes. So the first one is gear. Apart from helmet, riding gloves, riding jackets and riding pants, you should carry the waterproof jackets and pants if your riding gears are not having waterproof linings. It's better to carry them with you as you can dry them up quickly and you can also remove them and pack them separately in a bag if you want to do so after the rain, because the riding gears may take a long to get dry. You can also take the shoe rain covers along with you, which you can buy on the online platforms. The second one is that we should carry that puncture repair kit, including the air pump, either it's electric or manually operated. You should always carry with you on a long ride, as in the bikes you don't have the spare tire with you. And also learn how to fix the flat tire so you don't get stuck in the middle of nowhere. The third one is clean and lubricate the chain. On a long bike trip, the chain needs cleaning and lubrication. So do carry both the cleaners and lubricant with you and keep lubricating at every 500 to 600 kilometers. Almost every bike these days have open chains, so you can perform it quite easily. The fourth one is learn to adjust the beam of the headlight if it is possible in your bike, because the height of the beam varies a lot in different cases. Like if the pillion is sitting, the beam height will be different, and without a pillion the beam height will be different. So according to the luggage or the weight at the back, you might have to adjust the beam at your longer rides for the night ride. Check the air filter and spark plug before going on to a ride. Clean the air filter if it can be reused, or else get a new air filter. And always remember to carry a spark plug for your bike of the same specs which is already installed in your bike. Now we are going to talk about the lack of power at the higher altitudes, like you are going for a Ladakh ride. As we go on a higher altitudes, the air density reduces, which means the engine has lesser amount of oxygen to burn the fuel. So in the bikes which are having the fuel injection, the ECU controls the fuel to be injected inside the engine by monitoring the amount of air or the oxygen which is available. But in case of carbureted bikes, we might face a problem of loss of power at high altitudes. It is not like that the FI bikes don't lose the power, but they will somehow get through it. And we also cannot do anything in the FI bikes to get it fixed. As the air density reduces, the oxygen available to burn the fuel also reduces. Hence, we have a rich fuel mixture. That is why we face a power loss. And to make it ideal, we either have to reduce the fuel supply or we can increase the air supply. But in the carbureted bikes, we can adjust the air fuel mixture through the air fuel mixture screw in which is there in the carburetor. And also, you can learn this on the internet for your bike. Or the most easiest way to increase the airflow in the engine, in case you don't have an idea how to adjust the air fuel mixture ratio of your bike, so you can remove the air filter. It will definitely help you to get to the nearest destination or mechanic where you can get it fixed. Remember, this is not recommended at all, but you can do it in case of emergency only. I'm telling you this because I've seen a lot of people complain about loss of power at higher altitudes. I pray none of you get into such a situation, but in case this happens to you, you should be prepared to deal with this. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and do remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. And also press the notification bell so you don't miss any video. And the comment section is all yours. So please do give the suggestion for the videos, and if you have any questions, please ask it in the comment section. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.